India is entering a new era of warfare. Gone are the days of relying solely on traditional fighter jets. The future belongs to advanced technologies like drone swarms. At the forefront of this revolution is ALFA-S, India's game-changing drone swarm system. ALFA-S is a force multiplier for India's defense forces. It is designed to overwhelm and destroy enemy targets with precision and efficiency. This system marks a significant leap forward in India's military capabilities, establishing its presence as a formidable force in the region. ALFA-S is not just another weapon system, it is a testament to India's commitment to self-reliance in defense technology. Developed by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited in collaboration with New Space Research and Technologies, under the watchful eye of the Defence Research and Development Organisation, ALFA-S signifies India's technological prowess. This indigenous system promises to bolster India's defence capabilities significantly. The ALFA-S system is a marvel of modern engineering. It comprises a swarm of small agile drones, each approximately 1 to 2 meters long, with folding wings. These drones are battery-powered, capable of achieving speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour. What makes ALFA-S unique is its launch method. The drones are housed in glider pads, with each pad carrying 4 to 12 drones. These glider pads, usually 5 or more, are then attached to fighter jets like the Sukhoi 30, MKI, Rafale, or Tejas. The fighter jet carries the glider pads within their operational range, releasing them when in proximity to the target. Once released, the glider pads can cover distances of 50 to 70 kilometers, further extending the reach of the drones. Upon reaching the designated area, the glider pads release the ALFA-S drones, which then proceed to their targets autonomously. These drones have an operational range of 150 kilometers, giving them the ability to strike deep within enemy territory. The ALFA-S drones are not merely weapons. They are intelligent machines capable of coordinating their attacks. They can share information, adjust their flight paths, and select optimal targets, all while jamming enemy radar systems. This swarming capability makes them incredibly difficult to defend against. The ALFA-S system offers a substantial advantage over traditional methods of aerial warfare. Firstly, by deploying swarms of drones, India can effectively neutralize high-value enemy targets simultaneously, overwhelming their defenses. This saturation strategy makes it incredibly challenging for adversaries to intercept all the incoming drones, maximizing the chances of successful strikes. Secondly, the use of ALFA-S significantly reduces the risk to Indian pilots. Instead of sending pilots on dangerous missions deep into enemy territory, potentially exposing them to sophisticated air defense systems, ALFA-S allows India to conduct these operations remotely. The ALFA-S drones are designed with stealth features, making them difficult to detect on radar. This stealth capability, coupled with their maneuverability and swarming tactics, allows them to penetrate even the most sophisticated air defense systems. This is particularly crucial when considering the advanced air defense capabilities of countries like Pakistan and China. ALFA-S provides India with a strategic edge in neutralizing these threats. The system's ability to overwhelm and confuse enemy defenses with multiple coordinated attacks makes it an invaluable asset in modern warfare scenarios. The development of ALFA-S is a testament to India's growing technological prowess and its commitment to self-reliance in defense. The collaboration between HAL, New Space Research and Technologies, and DRDO highlights the success of India's push towards indigenous defense manufacturing. This project is not just about building a weapon system, it's about building a robust domestic defense industrial base, creating jobs and reducing reliance on foreign suppliers. The ALFA-S program is a shining example of Make in India in the defense sector. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has repeatedly emphasized the changing nature of warfare, highlighting the need for India to be prepared for challenges in space, cyberspace, and information warfare. ALFA-S aligns perfectly with this vision. It signifies India's readiness to embrace cutting-edge technologies and adapt to the evolving landscape of modern warfare. ALFA-S is not just a technological marvel, it is a symbol of India's determination to protect its interests and maintain its strategic autonomy in an increasingly complex world. This system will undoubtedly play a pivotal role in shaping the future of India's military operations, acting as a deterrent and a decisive force multiplier when needed.